We have discussed this in our earlier videos also. Kindly check those also. L equals to lower limit. Lower limit means what? Lower limit of this class which is required 60 to 80. So 60, right? So F1 is what? Frequency of the required class means 60 to 80. So what is the frequency of 60 to 80? 12. F0 is what? Frequency of the previous class. So 40 to 60, 10. F2 is what? Frequency of the next class. So 80 to 100, that is 6. That is a F2. And H is the difference. Difference means between the intervals. That 20 minus 0, 40 minus 20. So it is same, 20. So these are the values. We have to just input the values. That is 60 plus 12 minus 10 upon 2 into 12 minus 10 minus 6 bracket close into 20. Solve this. 60 plus 2 by 8 into 20. 60 plus 5, that is 65. So mode is 65. Quite a tough problem. Solve it yourself. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.